Transmitting devices, including mobile phones, must be switched off at all times. During takeoff and landing, the operation of any electronic equipment is not allowed. Please switch off your electronic equipment now.
Secure your tray table and put your seat upright. Stow your in-seat video screen, headset, and footrest. Window shades should be up, and please keep your shoes on. Fasten your seatbelt and tighten it. To release it, lift this catch. Seatbelts should remain fastened whenever seated. When the fastened seatbelt sign is switched on, infants should be lifted from the bassinet and held in arms with the infant seatbelt fastened. In case of depressurization, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above. Pull one mask downwards and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and tie